Drill a 9 to maximum 10 mm deep hole on the underside of the hoof boot using a 4.2 mm drill bit. Make sure that the drill bit does not penetrate the sole of the hoof boot. Repeat this process for all marked holes. Tap the hoof boots vigorously to remove all drilling residue. Replace the drill bit with a suitable spanner. Put a drop of glue in each hole before screwing in the spikes. Screw the spikes into the pre-drilled holes. Use the spanner to tighten the spikes securely. If you are using a drill, make sure that you only tighten the spikes lightly. Finally, you should tighten and retighten the spikes carefully by hand, using the spanner so that the spikes are not over-tightened and the thread is not damaged. Repeat this process for all spikes. Finally, check once again that all spikes are firmly in place. And retighten them if necessary. Clean the shoe thoroughly to remove all residue.